Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are using Squarespace and want to sell subscriptions in 2026, monthly plans, recurring services, membership, Squarespace supports this natively. No plugins required. And Squarespace subscription products are recurring products created inside a store page and powered by Stripe. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to add a subscription product in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, log into Squarespace, open your website, okay, tab pages. This is where store pages live, okay. So click your store page, okay. You will see the products list, okay, the collection view. Subscription products live alongside normal products, okay. So add a new product, so click plus, okay, like from here. This enables recurring billing options automatically, so choose the subscription type. So Squarespace will ask you to select weekly, monthly, yearly, so choose the billing interval this fits your offer. So you can't create fully custom billing cycles, okay. So now add subscription details, fill in product name, description, price per period, products, images. Be very clear about what repeats and when, okay. So click settings, product settings, okay. So billing, review and set billing interval, starts dates, renewal behavior, visibility, or all slug, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.